तबस्सुम टॉक्स में एक बार फिर आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम आपको एक ऐसी शख्सियत से मिलाने वाले हैं जिन्होंने पढ़ाई में और सोशल वर्क में काफी काम कर रखा है और वो बहुत सारी औरतों के लिए, महिलाओं के लिए और बहुत सारी यंग जनरेशन के लिए मैं तो कहूंगी इंस्पिरेशन है। आइए मुलाकात करते हैं अनुष्का बसंतानी से। अनुष्का, वेलकम टू माय शो तबस्सुम टॉक्स।
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here.
सेम हियर। अनुष्का, शुरुआत करने से पहले मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूंगी कि आप पढ़ाते भी हैं और एक कहीं लंबा सफर रहा है आपका पढ़ाई से लेके बच्चों को पढ़ाना और उसके साथ साथ एनजीओ संभालना। यू आर द को-फाउंडर ऑफ स्प्रेडिंग स्माइल्स।
That's right.
तो ये जर्नी किस तरह आपने शुरू की, पहले तो वो बताइए मुझे, टीचिंग की, और हाउ डिड यू कम अप विद दिस एनजीओ?
So I've been a teacher since 20 years now, and मैं 3 years से लेके 10 years तक बच्चों को लैंग्वेज, मैथ्स, स्पीच एंड ग्रामर, जीके बहुत सारी चीज़ें पढ़ाती हूँ। जब मैंने टीचिंग करियर में 10 years पूरे हुए, it was a decade, तो मुझे कुछ डिफरेंट वेज में सेलिब्रेट करना था। I didn't want to do the usual stuff. So मैंने अपने विसिनिटी में डिफरेंट एनजीओज शॉर्टलिस्ट किए एंड अपने बच्चों को डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स बना के हम 10 एनजीओज में हमने 10 इवेंट्स किए। So कहाँ पे मेरे बच्चे लोग ने performances दिए आंटीज के लिए, we did a dance workshop at the children orphanage and we did teaching workshops with the children and their parents. जैसे जैसे ये 10 events होते गए, somewhere it left a deep impact in my life and I felt कि इतना सारा requirement है, इतना सारा need है and people over there are so much in need of a visit, a personal visit, a smile, a care. So I was not able to stop at those 10 visits. वहाँ से फिर मेरा स्प्रेडिंग स्माइल्स का जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ और लेडीज जुड़ते गए, मेरे बच्चों के पेरेंट्स, उनके फैमिलीज, उनके कॉन्टैक्ट्स, उनके फ्रेंड्स, and now we are supporting more than 30 NGOs. 250 plus women and their families are associated with us. So that has been an incredible journey, and simultaneously मेरा teaching, my role as an educator has been ongoing. So I'm balancing between the two things. It's very difficult because I'm passionate about both of them, but I'm figuring.
लोगों को बेसिकली एक चीज बैलेंस करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है और आप दो चीजें एक साथ कर रही है। तो मैं तो चाहूंगी कि आप हमारे व्यूअर्स को कुछ टिप्स दीजिए किस तरह दो चीज एक साथ बैलेंस की जाती है। आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू कि आप कुछ टिप्स बता दीजिए हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए।
I don't know if I'm the right person to give tips because I am very obsessed with my work. So काफी सारे टाइम मेरा पर्सनल केयर, मेरा my self care and all, I'm not very regular with that and I'm working till late, I'm working on weekends. So but I do know that I have a lot of, I'm very fond of writing things, maintaining notes, to-do list. So I make use of jotting down things that I have to do. I have goals for everything. हर एक चीज का लिस्ट है कि by the end of the week I need to do this, end of the month I need to do this, and I keep referring to those lists and those goals. So I don't know if it's a valid.
So basically it is like your passion, so you're doing it, and if anyone is passionate about doing anything, so that personal time and things doesn't matter for that person.
Yeah, I guess you could say that.
Okay, अनुष्का, एक और चीज मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगी, जैसे कि आपने कहा कि आप 30 एनजीओज के साथ मिलकर काम कर रही हैं, तो वो 30 एनजीओज के साथ क्या काम कर रही हैं? मतलब योर फाउंडेशन इज स्प्रेडिंग स्माइल।
That's right. So we are not a registered NGO. हमारे पास डोनर्स है, वॉलंटियर्स है, एज आई मेंशन 250 फैमिलीज है। जो भी उन एनजीओज को रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, टीचिंग का, वॉलंटियरिंग का, मेडिसिन, क्लोथ्स, स्कूल फीस, मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट, जो भी दे इन्फॉर्म अस। We have a core team of 15 women and everybody is in charge of one particular plan, one particular NGO. जैसे जैसे हमको requirements आते हैं, we put it up to a group of donors, group of volunteers. As I mentioned, all of this works on WhatsApp. So I'm there in all those groups and we have these broadcast groups for every NGO, every plan. And then जिसको जो convenient लगता है, they want to volunteer, they want to send money, they want to send food, in terms of whatever is comfortable to them, they come forward and support us with that. And वो थोड़ा थोड़ा करके combines to become one collective effort.
Okay, wow, very nice. अब मुझे ये बताइए कि अभी जैसे आपने कहा कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं, फिर वो मैनेज करना मीन्स अकेले कैसे कर रहे थे? There are teams, there are team members, volunteers, but then too पूरे 10 साल, and top of that, not only your NGO, you have more 30 NGOs lined up with you. How do you all actually take it so smoothly and you're really blushing and smiling?
Now there are systems in place. We had initial years में हमको बहुत सारे problems थे. We learned from those mistakes. We have systems in place. We have protocols. We have an entire format set how things will function. So अगर एक requirement आएगी, who's handling it, vendors कौन है, कहाँ से procure करना है, teaching plans है, curriculum set है, volunteers आएंगे, so उनके लिए भी it's all smooth. That this is what you have to teach. This is the curriculum. So अभी इतना time हो गया है, so all the struggle period is done with, and now everything is like it's on autopilot mode. So everything's functioning fine. First half of the day, I'm figuring what needs to be done in spreading smiles. So about 2 hours, I'm on calls and chats and everything. Uske baad I see my class ka work. Every week we make the curriculum, and then I from 2:30 to 7:30 I have my classes. Over the weekends, I have workshops. I have street plays. So there's a lot of action that's going on. But I feel, like you said, if you're driven by something, you figure how to make the time for it. The effort just kind of doesn't seem like effort then. Yeah.
Okay, when we come and when we talk about Joy Kids, how do you like when you started? How you started that, and how did that idea of starting came in your mind? And right now, you said your kids are, they are participating in street plays, and especially it is for community-based programs.
That's right.
So, how are you taking that ahead?
I started teaching for my daughter. She was just 3 years old and she was an alone child, so I felt she needed company. So I organized these small little play dates and I had other kids come in and I planned activities for them, summer camp, Christmas camp. And then I realized that I'm loving to teach, and from there my passion for teaching started. So I figured my way around it. I did a lot of learning. I'm still learning. So I'm constantly on the move. How can I improve? What more can I do? What else can I learn? I feel learning never stops.
Exactly.
So again, a couple of years back, I realized that I want to get into public speaking and speech and drama for my children. So the street plays and all are a part of that. And we do these performances in communities and open amphitheaters, and the topic is very based on what the message that we want to give to the audience. Like, so the plays we've done are like, no cutting of trees and don't compare your children to other children. We have another one coming up this Saturday, which is on anti-bullying. So this is something I feel very passionate about, that we should create an impact in whatever we do in life. Whether it's in the classroom, it's in the community, it's with different people, even in a simple conversation, you can make a difference. You should strive for that.
So, when we talk about Joy Kids, the age criteria to take admission in this class, basically, what is that?
3 years is eligibility. I start from 3 years old. We have different programs. For the 3 to 5-year-olds, we have Explorer program, which is based on early oratory skills and general knowledge. Then we move on to big language, maths with them. As they go into pre-primary and primary, we build a strong base. That's the Kids Smart program. And then we have the Spotlight program, which is speech and drama. So there I'm training them on debates, performances, Trinity examinations, communication skills, a lot of stuff. So my aim is when the child leaves Joy Kids and goes, that is a all-rounded personality, and बच्चे का confidence is also there, and strong base in reading and writing and maths भी है. So I'm always trying to see what I can do more for my kids.
मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगी कि आप महिला दिवस किस तरह सेलिब्रेट करती हैं, आपकी जो सहयोगी हैं, जो महिलाएं आपके साथ जुड़ी हुई हैं, और क्या मैसेज आप हमारे जरिए बहुत सारी महिलाएं जो आपको देखेंगी उनके लिए देना चाहेंगे?
So Women's Day पे हम लोग हमारे जो भी women NGOs हैं वहाँ पे visit करते हैं, उनको कुछ gifting करते हैं, whatever they require, bed sheets, toiletries, towel sets, and we try and do a special meal for them. We have old age homes, we have destitute women homes, and we have young girls also. So 4-5 NGOs हैं वहाँ पे visits होंगे, gifting होएगा, special meals होएगा. And regarding a message for whoever is listening to me, I think something that I personally believe in is if there is something जो आपको चाहिए, तो ऐसे मत सोचिए कि ये कैसे होगा और ये मैं कैसे अचीव करूँगी, ये होगा कि नहीं होगा. Just get out there and start working in that direction. Things will automatically open up. And this has been a part of my personal life as well as my professional life also. I believe in the power of manifestation. So put it out there in the universe, and everything will align and open up. Don't second guess yourself. Don't doubt yourself, and just go out there with that visualization. Okay, this thing is going to happen, and I'm going to achieve it. It will happen.
तो अनुष्का, आप फाउंडर है स्प्रेडिंग स्माइल्स की और आप एजुकेटर भी है, तो ये दोनों चीजें आप एज लीडर संभाल रही है। तो मैं ये जानना चाहूंगी आपसे कि आप आपके बच्चों को जो यहाँ आते हैं और जो आपका ये काम है स्प्रेडिंग स्माइल में, वो जो लोग आपसे जुड़े हैं उनको क्या किस तरह का आप एक बात कहना चाहेंगी, या वो किस तरह ये लीडरशिप की क्वालिटीज लेके आगे चले, उनको क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I think one thing that I feel very strongly about is that we must support other people. So even at Spreading Smiles, I think that's one important aspect जो हमारे टीम से बहुत जुड़ा हुआ है. We have women supporting other women. We have families supporting all these people from different NGOs. And it's very, very important to be there for someone in their time of need. Because I think that is the one thing that, that makes us human. And even in my classes, I love to see my children cheering for other kids, supporting other kids. उनके भी जो parents हैं, जो mothers हैं, जैसे हमारे examinations होते हैं, तो we have the Trinity examination, which is a speech and drama exam. So we have parents taking up each other's child's work. And I like that somehow, that you are holding space for someone, you're cheering their wins, and you can be there for someone. I think that is something very, very powerful, more powerful than success. It's building a community.
तो अनुष्का जी, इस इंटरव्यू को यहीं समाप्त करते हुए मैं आपसे कहना चाहूंगी कि हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए अगर कुछ विश हो तो प्लीज।
Thank you so much, Tabassum ji. It's been a real pleasure आपसे बात करना. It's been really, really nice, and I would like to tell all the viewers to please follow, like, subscribe, and comment in the channel, Tabassum Talks.
Thank you, Anushka. It was really a pleasure talking to you.
Likewise.
तो ये थे अनुष्का जिनसे हम बातें कर रहे थे, और जाहिर सी बात है, जिस तरह इन्होंने कहा कि अगर आपकी चाह है, दिल में आपने कुछ ठाना है और आपको कुछ करना है, एंड यू आर रियली पैशनेट अबाउट इट, तो उसके लिए किसी चीज के लिए रुकने की जरूरत नहीं है. एंड शी इज वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल ऑफ इट, आई वुड से, क्योंकि इनका जो जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि इट इज शी इज द फाउंडर ऑफ स्प्रेडिंग स्माइल, बट ये एनजीओ नहीं है, इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, दे आर कनेक्टेड विद वेरियस पीपल एंड दे आर वर्किंग. तो क्योंकि शी वाज पैशनेट अबाउट डूइंग दिस, शी इज डूइंग दिस, और बहुत सारे लोग उसके साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. थैंक यू व्यूअर्स. हमारे इस शो को प्लीज लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, और बहुत सारे ऐसे ही कुछ स्टोरीज या इंटरव्यूज के लिए हमें फॉलो कीजिए.